In this video, I'm gonna clean my jointer. It's definitely got some rust, some loose parts, some dust everywhere. Time to do some routine maintenance. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna undo this bolt here. Comes out like that. Don't lose the washer. I'm gonna put that somewhere else, but then this thing just all comes off. Definitely some things that just need to be cleaned out a little bit. The belt looks not bad. It probably should be replaced at some point, but I think at this point, it should be fine. I'm just gonna take a sander to all this on a really high grit and make sure that it all looks good. I have replaced the blades recently, so I won't be doing that in this video. If you're curious on what this jointer is, it's a Grizzly G1182Z 6-inch. Alright, so now that we've got this sanded, seal wooled, paste waxed, it feels pretty good, it looks pretty good. A few things that I want to do just to tune it up. Definitely the fence needs some work. And then also, I always want to make sure that this is spring loaded. When I bought this, it didn't actually have a spring. It's definitely worth the money and the time to have that spring loaded, even though it seemed like such a small little thing that I'll do someday. Go ahead and do it right away. It might save your hand, literally. So I've got this little square that I'm going to use to shore up the fence. It definitely has a gap in it, so I will loosen that and just kind of get that to the point where it is perfect. Tighten it back up. Check it all the way along. Looks pretty good. I don't know if you can see that, but I cannot see any light coming through, so I would say that is perfectly square. So the last thing that I want to do on this is tighten up this screw so that I know where exactly 90 degrees is. I'll show you what that means when I get this adjusted right now. Alright, I've got that adjusted. Now if I bring this down and tighten it up, then I can come over here and see if it's square. Perfect. Alright guys, that is a wrap on this jointer project. If you don't have one of these squares, I'd highly recommend it. I'll leave a link in the bio below. If you like this content and you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.